Terrorism is a threat, of course, but most of the victims are only in 5 countries: Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Iraq, Syrie, Pakistan, Afghanistan.
Iran, pas vraiment.
Non, Yémen. Je vais recommencer. It's true that terrorism is a threat, but most of the victims are only in 5 countries in the world, and I think that we must address the issue very seriously. It's a threat, but it's not an existential one. Our society are not threatened by terrorism. Our security is. And I think that we must certainly talk a little less on terrorism. We must act, but talk less, because every time we talk about terrorism, we give the terrorist action too much importance, and we help them to recruit and to find financement. Of course, social media could help extremist groups to attract people, but it's just an effect. We need to address the roots, the cause, not the effect, because even if social media were not existent, they will attract people by other means. So we don't need to focus too much. We have to survey social media, but they are not responsible for extremism. They are just a tool to attract people. We must survey them, but it's also a tool to make documentation, to make pedagogy towards the young people. So at large, social media are useful, and they are doing more good things than bad things. We must separate these factors. First, Brexit and Trump election are different processes. One is very British, the other is very American, so both have surprised people, but they have not the same roots. And in France, Marine Le Pen is also a different factor. Of course, all of them have the fear of foreigners, the fear of globalization, but the national roots of every phenomenon is much stronger than the collective factors. And so I don't think that Marine Le Pen could win the election because Trump has won the election in USA. It's not the same political system. We have a 2-leg election in France. So it's very different from US election. Of course, Marine Le Pen will score a very good high score, 25, 20. Perhaps she will run in front in the first leg. But second leg is a very different problem. And so I don't, of course, we have to worry about this phenomena, but they are totally different from terrorism and from security threat. Certainly not. They could be part of solution. For example, it's really necessary to make a military intervention in Syria and Iraq to tackle Daesh. But it must be collective. In any way, it should be only Western. A Western intervention will lead to a disaster. And so if sometimes military intervention is necessary, it must be done with a broad and a large coalition, a worldwide coalition, and with, in the first front, the regional forces, not external forces. But of course, the solution is, above all, political and social. Military is only a tool, but the real reason to tackle terrorism are social solution and political solution. We must solve the ongoing conflict in Syria, in Iraq, in Palestine, and so on. It's also the roots of terrorism.